trabajadores. ¡Aló!
Welcome viewers. I'm in Hammersmith in London. This is the Thames River. And this day was quite rainy. I've been to the London Comic and Movie Con. And now I'm seeing the river here. As you can see. These are the Furnival Gardens, which are close to the Thames River.
Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
This is a beautiful view of the Thames River in London from the Hammersmith area. Earlier I was at the London Comic and Movie Con. Had a great time there and filmed a lot of videos. Met a lot of interesting people, some people I knew and some other people. And basically it was fun. It was my first time at this con. I even met Colin Baker and Sylvester, who was the 7th Doctor, so 6th and 7th Doctors were present. I don't have, sorry. I wanted a pound. I don't have a pound on me. The Furnival Sculling Club. Nice dog. I've seen a photo of a heat wave in London in the 1950s and people were jumping into this very river. It's not a good idea today. And I believe it's illegal also. Anyway, today is not a hot day. Last Thursday was the hottest day ever recorded in London, it's believed. But today it was raining. So the temperatures have gone down. So don't expect high temperatures. Please do not use these access steps for sitting or placing your drinks on at the request of local residents. Respect local residents always. There's a pub here, the Rutland Arms. Some seagulls. That's the bridge over the Thames River. some wild plants growing here beside the river. It's a very relaxing place. Quiet. Not many people bothering you, only that guy who passed by asking for a pound, which you have to be careful with these people. Don't show them where you have your money. That's dangerous. There could be somebody else with him. I'm going to go back because it's starting to drip. It might start to rain. So bye for now from Malta Network Resources in London.
Bye for now from Malta Network Resources.